Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we will be comparing the Dell Alienware AW2523HF with BenQ ZOWIE XL2566K. So if you want to know which one is better for you, then stick around until the end of this video. Also, don't forget to check the links in the description to grab yours from Amazon. First, if we talk about the key differences between these two, the first difference that we have is of the refresh rates. So the Dell Alienware offers a solid 360 Hz and it can reach up to 500 Hz, whereas the BenQ offers the refresh rate that starts with 240 Hz and reach up to 550 Hz. Next we have the response time. So both are fast, but the ZOWIE is slightly quicker, reducing motion blur even more. If we talk about the display, then the Dell has the IPS panel for better colors, whereas the ZOWIE's TN panel focuses on speed more. If we talk about the design, the Alienware has a flashier design with RGB, while the ZOWIE is more ergonomic with a fully adjustable stand. Now, if we talk about the special features, so ZOWIE includes the DIAC Plus for less blur. Alien Alienware support G-Sync for smooth gameplay. So in the end, which one should be the better for you? So if you are all about esports and need the fastest performance, you can go on with the BenQ ZOWIE XL2566K. For a balance of the visuals and the pricing, the Dell Alienware AW2523HF is your pick. So if you like this video or if you like this comparison, then hit the like button and subscribe. Check out the links in the description to buy one today. Thank you so much for watching.